So first, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to split my hair. First product we're going to be using is Pantene leave-in conditioner spray. It's a detangler, so this our hair, this the truth. I start at my ends and work my way up. Then I'll be using my comb. And I also use as much as I can to get my hair damp. It's better to put on product on my head when my hair's damp instead of dry. That's exactly what I want. That's what anybody should want when they do their hair. Just that perfect glide. Now, since we are done with this side, we're gonna switch to the other side, repeating the same process. Now I'm going to be using my Smooth and Shine black seed oil and coconut oil conditioning polisher. It says for straight hair, but I'll also use it for my curly hair. Tame that frizzy hair once and for all. Hey, magic right here. Next, I will be using my Eco Styler Gel. It's pink, it's my favorite color. The firm hold is 8. That's pretty good. Plus it does really well on my hair. So I don't need to use no edge control for my edges. The drink right here. And I always use my knuckles only because I got nails. I don't like my nails being oily. Girls, you understand. You don't want your nails being oily. Alright, so I start always by my part and work my way down. My waves supposed to be hitting. Using my goodie brush. I had a brush just like this that I've been using. I still have it, but I'm not using it anymore, but I've been using since I was baby. I was like, I can't find this brush, like they don't sell it anymore. So I looked it up and they sell it on Amazon. So I ate this goodie brush. It's hard enough for my hair, it's not too soft. I can't do soft brushes. I have to have like hard brushes in order to lay down my hair. But I'm going to be combing my hair out or brushing my hair with this brush, and this really shows you my curls. You'll see that wave action. And then I always grab my ends and brush down. Repeating the same process on this side. Once I am satisfied, usually I go back in with my detangler spray, only because my hair does get a little dry when I'm putting the product in my hair. And get in my brush. At this time, swear, toothbrush is like my edge's best friend. And this is my final thought. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe, please share this video. You can also use some products that I used, and the products will be listed below down in the description box. And that's all.